Here's Premiere Pro 2021. I have a clip here on the timeline, and at Effect Controls the properties of that clip are not visible here. Well, you have two tabs up here. If you click on the second one, then it might be visible, and if it's still not visible, then you have to click on the clip itself, that one, then it should be visible. If it's not selected, so if I click outside here, then at Effect Controls the properties are not visible. So click on the clip and there should be there. By the way, this Effect Controls is available from here also. If you can see it up here, Effect Controls is here also, and at Window Effect Controls is here also. Shift 5 is the hotkey. So if I click, let's say, there, and press on the keyboard Shift and 5, it goes to Effect Controls, but you have to click on the clip itself to see the properties. By the way, you can open and close these motion using those triangles on the side, opacity, and so on.